It's another day of trying to sort out the chapel, get moved in, get the business running. I have done my first live from the chapel. Didn't go brilliantly. I wasn't as prepared for it as I needed to be. eBay was glitching as well. Only ended up selling about 5 things. So not the best, but it is the start of building something. That's what I've got to keep telling myself. So it means there's loads more stock for my next lady thing live, which will be on Friday. It'll actually be a mix of men's and ladies. I've got to set up more rails, get more stock in here, get stuff sorted out. But it's all going to take time, and the main priority at the minute, well, I'll show you what I'm up to now. I'll turn the camera around. Main priority at the minute is setting up my packing desk so that I can ship the orders that have sold today. And 5 of them. Also, the plumber is due later to fix that tap. In fact, I think he's going to replace it. But yeah, we got to do some DIY, which is going to be fun, isn't it, Barty? Already started on assembling the packing desk, and then once I've got that set up, I can figure out if I've got space for some shelving there to put some stuff on. If I haven't, I've got to order some shelving there to put some stuff in, because I need to install my shipping materials. I mean, I have bought some shelving from there, but I think it might be too wide. You'll have to see. It's there in that box, in fact. But anyway, I'm going to try and get this assembled. Wish me luck. Okay, so we won't mention the many hours it's taken to assemble this. It all went smoothly, honestly. So that is the new shipping desk in place. And the special thing about this is it very slowly rises up. I can get a really good height when I'm packing orders. I actually really like this. Got it from Temu. I might get another one to use for me, but I'm not sure where I would put it. So I'll probably just stick to this one and put a monitor on it. I'll buy it so I can do some listing on it when I'm here. But yeah, nice desk. Next task, we've got to put some shelving up here, and apparently play ball as well. Or I would be assembling my his shelving if it wasn't damaged. Bits of it have come off. So yeah, that's Temu shelving for you. I think I'll stick to Costco in the future. Now I'm going to organise a return. Progress is being made. We have put together some racking. This racking and this racking is just going to be for shipping supplies. So obviously this is the shipping corner. I don't put it in my listing as well. And the trusty MacBook. Here, putting some racking in between the pull down tables. You may wonder why I'm not putting them side on so they come out like that. That is because this is going to be my listing area, so I'm going to set up a listing station there in the next few days, so that I can get underway with actually doing some listing from here. So yeah, this room itself is going to become the listing and shipping room, and obviously staff room, as we've got facilities in place now. We've got a fridge, etc. Still working on getting the perfect setup for the live studio. I've got some more of these rails that I need to put together so I can have rails set up for each show, and then anything that doesn't sell just stays on the rail ready for the next show, rather than me having to take it off and restock the rails for a different show. So that should work, because I do have themed shows going on in July. I've got ladies shows, women's shows. I've got mixed show as well, which will just be the stuff that hasn't sold in the ladies and men's shows. 50p t-shirt show as well. This is the most popular show that I do, and that will be streamed from home this week and possibly next week before it relocates to here. I need to get this sofa out the way as well, so that the studio area becomes fully available to me. At the minute, it's a little bit of a mess at the minute in the studio area, but we'll get that sorted, get that handled. I am going to do my first sets of shipping from here as well, so we're going to test out that. Got to put together this racking. So yeah, definitely making some progress. I do have far too much unlisted stock. I have got another 2 containers worth and a unit's worth to come in here. So I'm going to put a lot of this stuff that's on here on the racking I've just assembled I really do need some more racking, but at the minute the funds aren't there to buy anymore, so I'm gonna have to try and sell a lot more stuff on eBay Live and some stuff at the car boots, because the racks, the Temu ones are really cheap, but as you saw, they break. Whereas the Costco ones are really good, but they're nearly £40 a pop. But they're just so easy to assemble. It takes 2 minutes to put them together. So I am gonna get some more of these, but I've got to wait until funds allow. I want to save myself a couple £100 up before I do my next Costco trip. And I can buy some more, put some more unlisted stock on them, eventually list that stock and become rich. Okay, I think I have done enough for today, having assembled quite a few pieces of furniture. I've had to put this one side on because I can't get those tables down, should I so wish, with it facing inwards. And at the minute, those tables are going to be used for listing on temporarily until I get my listing area set up. So I'm actually going to photograph and list some stuff now, just to keep ahead, because I'm trying to do 15 listings a day. And I may as well just get the 15 done from the backlog over there, and then it's done, sorted. And then tomorrow's job, I think I have got a spare chair in one of my containers, so I can have a proper office chair here. I've also got to put together some rails. In fact, I might do that now. I've got to put together some rails for tomorrow's show. I may as well. Will I do it now or will I do it tomorrow? I might do it now, we'll see. Still waiting for the plumber to come and fix stuff. He basically gets stuck on other jobs and doesn't turn up. But hopefully he will turn up tomorrow, because we've got a couple of plumbing jobs that need doing. There seems to be a leak in there, which I've just discovered when I started using the toilet. So I presume it's from there. And there is a dripping tap there as well, so I can sort those out. But yeah, I'll turn the camera around for the wrap up. So I am very pleased with how things are looking so far. I didn't think that this room in particular would be sorted out so quickly, but basically, apart from putting in the listing tables, this room is now ready to go. So really happy with that. The listing tables are currently buried in one of my units, but I will pull those out, get them in. We might need to get another one or two from IKEA as well. I don't have time to do that, I don't know. At least they've got an IKEA in Chester now, so I can just order them to be there. I have a specific type that I like because they're like the right height and everything for me, and I know how to put them together. But yeah, that's it. That's how we're looking so far. The next video will probably be me just unpacking some stuff and putting it away and hopefully getting my listing area set up. So, see you on that one.